the heck you're doing.
Well, we're smoking this. That hasn't been decided yet. We're waiting for the Extreme Danger song to play.
Do it, Dave. Yeah. One down. All right, Brian.
You get that?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna attempt to do something badass here.
Badass. 2 down. The aftermath of David's expert only.
Where's your ski? Over here somewhere. I can't go up.
David, can I get a snow angel out of you?
You got it.
Oh, look at that.
Snow angels in extreme zones are avalanche hazards.
Another look at that up.
Oh my fucking god. Look at that fucking cliff we just came over. I'm losing ground trying to go back up to get my skis.
That's where we just came down from. Hi, Cliff. Right up in there. So how'd that work for you?
Look at me.
Hells yeah. Dave's almost
Made it all
done.
worth it right there.